This is that Bosch painting I just showed you. So I'm currently working on this section. And then I just have this section and then I'm done it. Like literally, look at this. It's a masterpiece. Okay, I'm not wearing pants, so I'm not going to scroll down more. But it's a masterpiece. And I, like, this is all, like, very confetti heavy. And then I just have this one color, this yin-yang symbol. And then here it's all, like, confetti. So technically, I could finish this diamond painting this week. Do I want to work on it instead of the other thing? Okay, maybe. Here is the finished Bosch painting. I love how this turned out. This was a huge undertaking, but it turned out super gorgeous. And as you can see, like from far away, you can really tell what the images are. But like as I was working on it up close, you can kind of tell, but like from further away, I love how it looks if you just stand back. Again, this kit is from Jaded Gem Shop. I think she did a super good job with the hybrid rendering. And I'm very, very, very satisfied with how it turned out. I don't think I'll be doing a diamond painting this large for a while now. But it's just a masterpiece. It is chef's kiss, as Jade from Jaded Gem Shop would say. It's very hard. Like, I can't really get it all in one frame. So that's why I'm just continually panning so you can take a look. But yeah, I'm super glad that I finished it. It was well worth the effort. I finished Bosch, and now I'm working on this Akira Amaya. I didn't even notice. This from Oraloa. I'm halfway done it. I am using this thing from AliExpress. It's like 3D printed thingy. This was like $15, super cheap, and shipping I think was free. I got 2 of them. But yeah, so I didn't actually have to kit up, and I think from now on, whenever stuff comes in baggies, I'm literally just going to use these separator things. I think it holds like 50 colors or something like that, but super cheap, 3D printed, AliExpress. Thumbs up. Yeah, so that's what I'm working on. I finished the Oraloa that I showed you guys last time. So here it is in all its glory. It's pretty cute. I mean, of course there's going to be gapping on her face. I really need to do my nails. Look how they're growing out. And these are from Lillian Fox. But the stickers, I mean, nail stickers from Lillian Fox. Okay. But like, look at all this. This is all AB. I can feel some of them poking up a bit. But this is all, that's all AB. I think it turned out pretty cute. Oh, and these are the pens that I constantly use. I use a different green pen for the 6-placer. Like I have one of the Diamond Art Club 6-placers, but I can't find it. So this is an everlasting tip. And all these pens are from Enabler's Outpost. Technically, I should do like a post review, but also I am lazy. And I don't want to do a post review because it's like, what am I going to say? This kit was great. I had no issues. The end. So yeah, the end. I'm done it. And now I don't know what I'm going to work on next, but I will tell you in the next clip because I'm going to pick something now. Bye. Okay, you can't really see, but here's my stash. We're there too. Yeah, you can't see, but I'm trying to figure out what to work on next. This is from Enabler's Outpost, and the way I rolled it up, but I rolled it up in the meantime, and then the sticker sheet got stuck to the canvas, and yeah, it just, I haven't worked on making it non-sticky, and I realized that I have Sweet Tooth. Kind of want to work on this. This was one of the first Diamond Art Clubs that I ever bought. Oh, I have Voyager actually. Should I do this one next? Oh, 63 colors. Probably not. Okay, I don't know. So I settled on this. This is, I don't remember her name. But anyways, it's an Old Mary's Diamonds kit. And I have issues because I was like, okay, let's start with this symbol. which is like this green, whatever, brown, whatever color. So that is symbol 22, okay? Follow me. This is baggy 22. So I was like, this color doesn't match the color that's on the canvas. So I Googled DMC 832. And that's what it should look like. Oh, wait, no. This is what it should look like. Wait, what? Okay, yeah, so it should look like this. But that does not equal that. So I guess I'm shit out of luck because like Mary's Diamonds no longer exists. And let's do another one. Like this is right? 35. Okay, this is weird now. So this is 35. Oh no. So it looks like it should be pink. 3727. DMC 3, sorry, bear with me, 3727. It's supposed to be pink, so bag 35, this is what's 35. Oh my God. But then 36 looks right. 36 is this color, so that's right. 37, 38. I don't know what to do. I even put it in my little bag holder and everything, but I guess I'm going to have to pack this up. Pack it up, pack it in. Let me begin. Okay, I'm going to pack it up and find something else to work on. Do you know how long it took me to figure out that I want to work on this? It took me a very long time. Okay, bye. Settled on one. Okay, this is what I'm working on. It is a budget diamond painting. But look, this is where special drills go. Here are, let me show you. Some of the special drills are really cute. Like, look at these. They're like flowers. And then there's some blue thingies. I think I might have unboxed this on my channel a very long time ago. But I settled on this. So this is what I'm going to be working on. So there's lots of color blocking, not a lot of confetti, which is great. Actually, there's like no confetti at all, really. So this will go by fast. So we will see. Okay, bye. Literally, WTF is wrong with my life today. So I got this much done. I did all this C symbol. Then I'm on to F, okay? You might already see what I'm going to complain about if you look at F. Make sure you look at the shades of F, okay? So, why is it 2 different shades of brown? Why? And then this is 14. 14 is too dark, so it's not like I mixed them up or anything. This is literally, they're both in this container. What is going on with my life today? I'm just, honestly, I'm ready to give up diamond painting right now. I'm just ready. I am so over it. I think I'm just going to do my nails and call it a night and go to sleep. Because I am going to smash something. No, I'm not. But like still, like this is freaking annoying. Okay, bye. Out of diamond painting because we know how much I failed at that. Here is, so instead of diamond painting, I did my nails. So I ended up doing my nails instead of diamond painting because we know how that failed. Here is a shot of that diamond painting that I did finish. One thing that I realized when I was getting this out to film this was that I did not put down the big red drill here. So pretend that this is a red gemstone, rhinestone, whatever it is. But I think it turned out really well. And as for the fail color, you cannot, like, if you're just staring at this from kind of far away, you can't really tell. Okay, you can tell on video, but through like your naked eye or whatever, you can't really tell that there's two different browns. But I think it turned out really well. Like, I'm very happy with it. And for a budget kit, like, look at all these specials. All these special drills are just so gorgeous. Like, they add so much to this diamond painting. Minus this part. Pretend. Okay, let's pretend. So I ended up kitting up this diamond painting next. It is a 60 by 85 centimeter with 60 colors. And this is from Jaded Gem Shop. It is called Onirin by artist Little Alfred. And I'll put a link in the description box below if I remember. This is how far I've gotten. So I filmed those clips a little while ago. But I have this whole section left, or this whole row left. And the rest of it up there, this is upside down. The rest of it up there is all done. So I'm almost done this, and then I have no idea what I will be working on next. To be honest though, I have been cross-stitching more than diamond painting. So if you want to see my current width, I'm working on this from Mill Hill. And I just finished, okay, I put them away already. I just finished 2 cross-stitch projects. So yeah, you can check those out on my Instagram. But thank you so much for watching me fail at diamond painting. I don't think I necessarily failed, to be honest, because I did finish some diamond painting kits. But thank you so much for watching. Leave a comment down below and let me know about a diamond painting failure maybe you had. Did you spill drills on the floor? Did your cat jump on your desk and spill your tray? Whatever it may be, I want to hear about your diamond painting fail. And make sure you hit the subscribe button. I post new videos whenever I feel like it, so make sure you hit that notification bell as well. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!